So we have to find out the product of last two digit of this. So 1919 to the power 1919. So you know that you have to write down this number as close to 10, multiples of 10. So can I write this number 1919 as 1920 minus 1 power 1919? You know that you have to focus on the last two digit. Okay, this means that I will be ignoring all the numbers which will carry minimum two zeros at the end, because those persons will not contribute in the unit digit, correct? So let's expand this one. So the first element will be 1919 C0, 1920 to the power 19, it will be 1919. Okay, 1919 and minus 1 power 0. So you know that this element will have 1919 zeros at the end, and you know that these person will not contribute in the last two digit because all numbers are 0 now. So 0 plus 0 will be 0. Now focus on, now it will keep on going. Okay, so let's go to the last number which will contribute to the unit digit. So hopefully it is 1919 see 1919, and you know that this time this 1920 will take power 0 and minus 1 will take power 1919, correct? Now plus one number will be reduced, 1919 see 1918, and then 1920 will carry power 1, correct na? And then minus 1 will carry power 1918. Before that, if you will be writing 1919 see 1917, so 1920 will carry power 2, which means, wait a moment, and then 1917. This means last two digit will be 100% 0, and we are interested in only last two digits. So before this, every element will carry greater than equal to two zeros at the end. Means the all responsibility is on this person and this person, correct? So let's figure out their values. So 1919 see 1918 is 1919 into 1920, because minus 1 to the power even is a positive number, so it's okay, correct? And then 1919 see 1919 is 1, and minus 1 power odd is minus 1, so we have to find out this part, correct? Now look at this. So the point is 1919 into 1920. We did some mistake. Okay, 1920. Okay, so we got 480 as the last three digit. So 480 is minus 1, so it is 479. So this is our last three digit. Okay, now we are interested in finding the product of last two digit. Okay, so required number is 7 into 9, that is 63. Okay, I hope you got the idea and you can handle similar situations. Okay.